Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: how to become debt-free. Debt can often feel overwhelming and suffocating, but with a strategic plan, dedication, and discipline, you can achieve financial freedom. So, let's dive into the steps you need to take to become debt-free. The first step is to assess your current financial situation. Take a deep dive into your debts by creating a comprehensive list that includes all outstanding balances, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments. This will give you a clear understanding of where you stand. Once you have a clear picture of your debts, it's time to create a realistic budget. Start by listing your monthly income and categorize your expenses, prioritizing the necessities. Identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more money towards debt repayment. Before focusing entirely on debt repayment, it's essential to establish an emergency fund. Start by setting aside a small portion of your income each month until you have built up an amount equivalent to 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. This will prevent you from falling back into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Now comes the exciting part: developing a debt repayment strategy. There are two popular methods you can consider: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. The debt snowball method involves paying off the smallest debt first, while the debt avalanche method focuses on paying off the highest interest debt first. Choose the strategy that suits your personality and financial situation best. Don't be afraid to negotiate with your creditors for lower interest rates. A simple phone call can often result in reduced rates, allowing you to save money and pay off your debts faster. Be prepared to explain your situation and demonstrate your commitment to becoming debt-free. Accelerate your debt repayment by finding ways to increase your income. This could involve taking up a side job, freelancing, or exploring other income-generating opportunities. Every extra dollar you earn can be put towards paying off your debts. Becoming debt-free is a journey that requires motivation and persistence. Track your progress regularly by updating your debt repayment spreadsheet or using a budgeting app. Celebrate small victories along the way to keep your motivation high. If your debts are overwhelming, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Credit counseling agencies and financial advisors can provide guidance, negotiate with creditors on your behalf, and help you create a personalized debt management plan. Becoming debt-free is within your reach. Remember, it's a journey that requires discipline, sacrifice, and determination. By following these steps, creating a realistic budget, and staying motivated, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Take care and see you next time.